So it's Saturday morning and I thought I'd just get out for a trip on the bike, mainly because I want to test out some of the new camera positions I've got. I've got one set up at the front here. I'm going to be using the this ram mount thing to have it set so it's just right there, and that's going to be a pretty good view, I think. And also I've got one set up at the back here, and it's on the top box, and I think that'll give me another good view too. I've got the possibility of clipping something to the front here as well, so that gives me another angle, and then I can also put the helmet cam on up the top here as well. So I've got a few different possibilities for setting up some cams, angles, and I'm looking forward to giving it a try and enjoy riding the bike while I'm doing it. So just going to go up along some local roads, and there's a place nearby with a hanging bridge, and we'll go and have a look at that as well. And maybe we'll take a trip out to the neolithic burial tomb as well, which is not too far away either. So let's go and have a look around and see what we've got nearby. It's a little bit of a maze. I'm having some difficulty remembering how to get to this hanging bridge. It could be that I'm not going to make it. I'll have to go back to where I started and try again another day. But still, it's nice to have a little bit of a walk and some exercise on a superb day like today. And I'm pretty sure I've come the wrong way. I'm going to get back. I'm going to have to do this another day. So I made it back to the bike, and I'll just show you one more addition to put onto the bike. So this is a little extra I've put onto the end of the side stand, and it's perfect for situations like this where the ground might be a little bit soft and it'll stop the bike from falling over. So now I've got the camera mounted on the top box of the back, and we'll get a different view now. So let's see how this works out. And hopefully I won't meet too many cyclists along the way when I'm going along this road either, because on the way here there was that point there where we turned around the corner and there was a car on the wrong side of the road because it was trying to get past a phalanx of cyclists. Let's see what this is like now. So we've just arrived at the dolmen, and when I got here I discovered that most of the footage I've just shot probably won't be any good because the camera tilted forward, and who knows how much I got there. Let's have a look and see when I get back home. So this is where we are now. There we are, look. Now what's interesting about these dolmens is that the same sort of structure I've seen in Ireland, which is some distance away from here. They have sort of a way of burying their dead, the Neolithic people, and it crossed borders and crossed seas as well. There's a dolmen very like this in design in Loughcrew, and I suppose it could be similar to the one at Newgrange, although Newgrange is a lot more fancy than this. And I don't know, but I wouldn't be surprised if this one also does something where it lines up with the sun on the summer solstice as well. So that's interesting. So let's go.